Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in a challenge, and the challenge is called DIY Christmas Centerpiece Challenge. And this challenge is hosted by Measure and Mix and Simple Yet Chic. And all we have to do is do a centerpiece. And the centerpiece I'm doing is very simple. All I'm doing is I like using old clothing pieces, things around the house that I no longer use. And instead of throwing them away, I always try to put them into a home decor type DIY project. So what I'm going to do is use a glass vase that I had for quite many years. And also I'm going to use maybe this fur collar. And I have two of them, so this right here is an extra one. And because I like glamming and making it very romantic, a little sexy. And I'll be using some little rhinestones and of course, ornaments. You gotta use ornaments during the holidays, especially in the centerpieces. They're very, very glamorous. And I probably will use a little bit of this rhinestone bling on the other two pieces that I will add with the centerpiece. And also I purchased this wreath from the Dollar Tree, and instead of using it as a wreath, I'm going to use it as a perhaps centerpiece also, along with the DIY centerpiece. So now I'm going to show you how I do this very simple DIY by using just clothing items that I no longer use. And I'll get started. This is the vase that I'm using, and all I'm going to do is add some ornaments to it. As simple as that. I love making flower arrangements and different types of arrangements for different seasons. Just add some ornaments in there. Very simple so far. Not too hard. You don't want to do too difficult. You don't want to make it difficult for you. More little ornaments to make it more glam, glam, glam. See if that looks good. Oops. That I'm going to be using. I no longer wear this collar. It's too tight around my neck. So I will use it. And I don't think I'm going to use any glue or anything, just try to tuck it in. This is a collar that I use during winter, but I don't wear it much because it's too tight. So now I'm using it as a home decor DIY. And I think so far it looks good. And I think I have enough ornaments in here. Let's see. I may have to add one more. Oops. Sorry, I down there. So far, so good. I like those little thing hooks, a little tad, not to show too often. I don't like for the string I don't like for the string to show from the ornaments. Let me try to adjust this one also. Okay, that looks good. And so all I do is to tuck it in. I don't have to worry about using. And this is going to be like a topiary, you know. I'm going to add a tree on top of this, and it's very, like I said, these are things I found around my home from previous Christmases and holidays. You know, instead of going out spending a lot of money. And I will add this, and I got this from the thrift store a couple years ago. I just haven't took the tag off because I didn't use it last year or the year before. And first I know I'm going to use, I'm sorry, I forgot to use this Dollar Tree wreath that I purchased not too long ago. And I will use it also as a base, a centerpiece base. At the bottom of this use that as a base if I need it. Use that like that. That so far already looks good. It looks very glam. Not do much. Oops. Gotta get that to stay in without. I hope I don't have to. That looks very pretty. Add these to it. I'm going to add some rhinestones to this part. These are very old, but I'm going to add some rhinestones to give it a more updated feel. Let's see here. I'm going to add that at the bottom. This is already stick kind, so I don't have to really put a lot of glue on this. Just add the little stones on to the base. And let's see if I can cut that, if I can find my scissors. This is just that looks a little different from that, but that's okay. And I will move that out the way. And now this is the final and finished look of my DIY Christmas centerpiece, and it turned out beautifully. I love the colors red, silver, and black together. They are very glamorous. And underneath both topiaries I have 2 Dollar Tree mirror candle holders, and it glammed it up a little more, along with the Dollar Tree wreath underneath the centerpiece in the middle, and also the fur collar I used on the vase. And they all look very glamorous. And I now would like to thank Measure and Mix and Simple Yet Chic for hosting this fun holiday DIY challenge. And I will list their channels below, and also I will list the playlist of all the other participants. And now, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I would like to thank you all for watching, and many blessings.